were stretched, and we were getting many, up to 50 new cases reported a day. And so we took action.
That's Ketchum Mayor Neil Bradshaw. You'll recall his city was the location of one of the nation's highest COVID-19 outbreaks per capita. That was back in March, and since then, the area has been a hotspot for coronavirus research. CBS 2's Sarah Jacobson explains what city leaders are finding out and how antibody testing is helping them learn.
We were able to get 2,500 people sign up for this test. We tested, in fact, almost 1,000 people. The data showed that across the county, we had 23% of the people tested positive for the antibodies for the virus. In Ketchum itself, 35% of the people tested positive for the virus, which is the highest incidence on a per capita basis in the nation.
This antibody testing through the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center and the Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences released their preliminary results back in May. This study is an opportunity to learn about how COVID-19 spreads, if herd immunity is possible, and what we can learn from areas hit hardest.
This is the first step in furthering the understanding of the COVID-19 virus. It helps our county, it helps the state, and it helps the nation.
But what is antibody testing? Antibody testing isn't checking for the virus itself. Instead, it looks to see whether your immune system, your body's defense against illness, has responded to the infection. At 35% per capita, Ketchum's testing produced some interesting findings.
All of us gained quite a bit of understanding, not just of the prevalence, but also, how the disease impacts different people at different ages or different groups. So something that we are looking into more. We know of people that had close exposure to the to infected people, living in the same household and did not develop any symptoms, and also did not develop antibodies. So that is a key piece for further research that has been also reported in a couple of other studies that there may be other immunity responses, or there may be some reason that some people get the disease and some people don't.
This antibody testing is 99.9% accurate, and it's ongoing. Mayor Bradshaw says that we can expect more findings in the coming weeks, but that this testing may be the key to uncovering coronavirus spread. Sarah Jacobson, CBS 2 News.
Antibody testing for COVID-19 is just one element of research. Coming up at 5:30, what some health experts say could be in store for Idahoans as we find out more about coronavirus.